Hello, my name is Rebecca Lewis, and this is my Smithsonian Education website and Ask3 app presentation. In the Smithsonian Education website, you will find that it provides digital access to many learning resources. There are several lesson plans available in art and design, science and technology, history and culture, and language arts to utilize in your classroom. You can access over 1 million resources in the Smithsonian Learning Lab. And the portrait gallery contains a large collection to give a visual view of the person the classroom is learning about. The classroom can explore the subjects with great depth in the subjects of art and design, history and culture, and the science and technology. You can access information from any culture in approximately 100 countries. The Smithsonian website contains various content to connect with diverse learning. For students, the Smithsonian Education website has a designated tab for students. This allows the students to explore the subjects. It also includes activities and games to make learning fun. We all know if children are having fun, they tend to learn quite a bit more. So let's take a look inside the Smithsonian Education website. Here you'll find different tabs, and then look under the professional development. For the teachers, you can discover how you can use the museum resources and methods to bring the excitement into your own classroom. They have summer workshops where you can bring the digital media and the Smithsonian summer workshops for teens and teachers, and you can integrate some of that into your classroom. Also, there is an online workshop for museum writing, and this is more geared toward high school teachers to show how to use museum exhibit as a basis for a student to do their writing. Let's take a look at the lesson plans. You can find lesson plans for the subjects in the tabs here. There's quite a few to choose from. And you can choose what grade level you want your lesson plan for. And then you search and you can find many various plans in the art and design, science and technology, history and culture, language arts, and then there's the idea labs. And in the resource library, you would key in what you would like to look up, and then of course you can go into your grade level, and you can even select a specific subject that you want to do your search under, and then you can even select what type of museum you want to search. Let's look into the Students tab. Here you can see that the students are able to explore the things that they're interested in, and even the subjects that maybe you might assign them to look up. If you have a computer lab, then they can go and look up things. Let's just take a look inside Everything Art, and here there's all the new and cool activities and games. Here's one, it's called Digging for Answers. It's where you search the web and beat the clock in this game, and then there's quite a few to choose from. You have the games, activities, and then even the favorites. Okay, moving on to the Ask3 app. You can share instructional videos through a virtual classroom. Teachers can create a tutorial for students to retrieve instructions on assignments. And sometimes we don't understand the assignments that we're given, so a tutorial will help guide you through so you'll have a better understanding of what's expected. And you can create information for more than one class or different subjects. You can upload pictures of documents for the students to use. And when you upload those, teachers can highlight or point out the important information in the documents for the students. You can circle it with a highlight or underline, or even draw an arrow on the document, and it will show the students what you want emphasis on. You can record messages for the students. And for the students, it's kind of like a flip classroom where they can retrieve information from the needed app and it's geared to be a convenient way for the students to study the materials on their own time. And students can review messages sent from the teacher. And students can follow tutorials to assist in the understanding of the assignment. And during a lesson, if they're going through the lesson together, the student can submit questions for clarification on the assignment. And you can look here and it shows you some of the information. So it says you can ask questions about the video, mark the video with drawing tools, and create their own audio comments about the video. So there's even more that you can do. And the students would be using this with their iPads. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video.